Copper Creek Cabins are located at Wilderness Lodge Resort. It's a deluxe resort in the Magic Kingdom area and is absolutely beautiful. It's all themed to the Pacific Northwest and is very, very calm and quiet. This is a view of Copper Creek Cabins, the entrance here. As you see in this layout, there are 2 full bedrooms, 2 full baths, laundry, and a sleeping area, plus private screened-in porch. We'll take a closer look. As you walk in, you can tell it's a very large space, and onto the right side here, you'll see one of the first bedrooms. This is a queen-size bedroom with also a fold-out twin sleeper. So this can comfortably fit about 3 people. You have that nice bench by the window. There's some storage in the drawers alongside of the bed, and a very large closet with drawers and hanging space. So really large bedroom dedicated to some people in your party here. And as you go back out into the hall and cross over, you'll see the second master bedroom, which is a king-size bed here and a private walkout to part of the screened-in porch, which we'll see in a moment. In this room, you have an attached bathroom that is absolutely stunning. The stonework, the woodwork, everything is thought of. The attention to detail is absolutely beautiful here. Rain shower water, faucet in the shower, a private water closet for the toilet, and a double sink vanity. So tons of room for you to get ready in the morning before you go out to the parks. Also feels very luxurious in here because of all of that stone detailing. Going back into the king's bedroom here, you'll see it has those nice reading lights that are embedded into the headboards, which is really common now with a lot of the refurbishments, especially in some of the deluxe resorts. So you'll see those in a lot of different places. You've also got massive drawers for storage and a large closet, as well as your own television in this room. Coming back out, we'll cross the hall again, and we'll take a look at the other bathroom. So walking straight forward, you see a single vanity and a full-size shower. Again, beautiful shower, glass doors, and to the right, you'll have more storage. You'll also see this is where they have the washer and dryer located. It'll come with a few things to kind of get you started, but a really great feature of some of the DVC rooms is having that laundry right in your room. There's also a separate space for the sink and toilet. So again, a lot of people can get ready in the morning, and a lot of people have space to do that. Take a look at the artwork throughout this cabin. It is all attention to detail, focused on some really classic tales like Brother Bear, as you're seeing here, and a lot of Pacific Northwest inspired artwork along the walls. So make sure you take a look. Front closet also includes a safe traditional closet that you would see. Heading back into the main area, it is really breathtaking. It is floor-to-ceiling windows, this A-frame style cabin. You'll see here a massive kitchen that is fully stocked for you. It's got pots and pans and all of your dishware, a large, very large refrigerator, and a full-size coffee maker with storage here. A big table for seating to be able to enjoy your meals together, overlooking the bay. And this living space actually has a double fold-out couch and a single fold-out chair bed. So basically you can have 3 more people sleeping in this area right across from the fireplace, and comfortably fit a few more guests in this cabin. Now, one of the things that's really unique about this cabin is the fact that they have given you a lot of outdoor space to enjoy while you're staying here. So these are all located along Bay Lake, and what you can see here is your private screened-in porch. So you're not going to worry about anything coming in, but what you are going to get is beautiful views, very secluded, and your own hot tub that's actually in the floor there. It is an actual hot tub. It's not just a plunge pool, so you do get to have the bubbles there. And then you've also have this picnic table and a private little reading nook area. This is attached again into that king bedroom space. You can see the fireplace here. Enjoy your coffee and have a good morning. You'll also notice that this is really well thought out. So if you're sleeping in the living room, you don't want to get woken up by that early sunshine. You don't have to worry about that. They've thought of everything here. This is a really fantastic cabin choice. Large groups, families, definitely book these early. As someone who is able to book those for you, they do go really quickly. There's only 26 cabins located at Wilderness Lodge. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in hearing more, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and have a great day.